Welcome to week 5. This video is a quick outline on the ethical analysis format. This format is outlined in D2L under content, so go to the top left under content and you'll find more information on the ethical analysis format. So please follow this format for writing up cases. This video is intended to review and discuss the application of ethical theories. So basically what you're doing with the ethical analysis format is to evaluate an ethical issue using the guidelines provided here that incorporate multiple ethical theories. And the result will be recommendations that you would make with regard to a business problem. The first step in the ethical analysis format is to state the moral issues. The objective here is to identify and talk about the facts of what ethical theory has been violated, what basically went wrong. The second part is to apply the ethical principles to that set of facts of what went wrong. So you might apply the utilitarian, the Kantian, or the rights and justice approach to whatever factual situation in the case went wrong. When you apply these theories, describe how each theory, utilitarian first for instance, applies to the situation be examined. Second, then start a new paragraph with Kantian and describe how that theory applies to the situation be examined. So that is the application. Then what you do is once you've identified the situation, then identify some options. Identify options for actions that could be taken to address the issue, for instance. So you might have a bullet point list of actions that could be taken. Maybe discontinue the business relationship. Maybe report the business that's ethically violating maybe an environmental law to the appropriate authorities. After you do that those options, then make a recommendation or a decision. So based on your judgment, select the best option, one of the best options, and it could be two options among those that you had earlier identified, and then provide some rationale on why that option is your final recommendation. So you might say, well, my option was to report the business to the authorities, to the EPA for polluting a stream. And the reason why I am making that recommendation is because under utilitarian theory, they are violating X, Y, and Z. So in conclusion, this is the ethical format, ethical analysis format. And this ethical analysis format is also a takeaway that you can apply in business situations at your place of work, for instance. Maybe a colleague says or does something that you feel is an ethical violation, then you can take the facts of that, you can apply an ethical theory, you can think of some options, and you might make a recommendation of what you should do, how you should react. So this is a takeaway with some application to the business world, and these cases that you're writing up are merely practice cases that allow you to become familiar with the process so that in the real world you can use the takeaway. Thank you for watching.